Ever built a form that just keeps saving the same data again and again? Not anymore. In this project, I'll show you how to stop duplicates and save clean, verified entries using just HTML and Python Flask. Let's make it real. Hey friends, and welcome to Build and Learn, where we learn coding through beginner-friendly, real projects. Today, we're combining HTML and Python to create a user form that saves data to a file without saving duplicate entries. We'll create a web form that collects a user's name and email. When the user submits the form, Python Flask will receive that data and store it in a file, but only if that name or email hasn't already been submitted. Let's set up our project folder. Inside it, we'll have app.py, our Python Flask, file, templates/index.html, the form users fill out. Data.txt, the file where data is saved. Create a folder like html-python-form or any name you want to give and keep everything inside. Now let's write our form in index.html in app.py. We'll write the backend that checks for duplicates and saves the data. To run your app, open your terminal and type Now go to your browser and open the link in your terminal. If you submit the same name or email again, you'll get this error. Entry already existed, but if you enter a new name or email, it gets saved in data.txt. This keeps your data clean and avoids duplication. This is a basic version of the project, but we can improve it. Should we add CSV, file saving, live validation, connect to a real database, or even build a login system? Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. If this project helped you, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Build and Learn, because I bring easy-to-understand tutorials in both HTML and Python with real-world mini projects. See you in the next video, and until then, keep building and keep learning. Did you subscribe my channel? Please subscribe. Did you like the video? And what errors you get while doing this project, write in comment. I will guide you in comment if possible, or I make a video on that. So please comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.